What's going on, everybody? Trevor here, and today on Over the Hump we are going to unbox and test the Sennheiser XS Wireless Digital Lavalier. I've noticed, over making my video, that the sound quality coming from the camera alone is not quite a good enough quality. So I went ahead and bought this here Sennheiser mic that's going to clip directly here to my sweater or my shirt, and ideally eliminate a lot of the external noise that is present on many of my videos, and making my voice much more crisp and concise. So, for a sample test purpose, I'd like to repeat the following phrase. Princess Penelope practically preaches perfect punishment for her peers. Let's see if I can remember that. Princess Penelope perfectly punishes her palace-dwelling peers. Wasn't quite that. First, let's take a look at all the components. We open the box, a very nice panel, and we find a cardboard tray with some of the items in it. These two are the sender and the receiver. One goes in your pocket, one goes on the camera. This must be the clip to attach said receiver to the camera. Here and here we have some wires. This one from the receiver to the camera. This one is in fact the microphone with the clip and the wire that goes to the sender. This is another sort of clip. We're going to see how that works in a minute. And underneath, oh wee, that is a USB cable. I assume it's for charging. Oh, some sweet colored stickers. That is the manual in many languages. And the last thing is the quick guide. Oh, would you look at that? This actually comes in a crazy number of languages. We got Deutsch, English, French, Italian, Espanol, Portuguese, NL. Doesn't look like Newfoundland. No. Belangrike Welheidsvoorschriften. NL? And then on the other side, even more languages. Incredible. All it really says is, be safe, read the instructions. And don't, rip it open or spill stuff on it. Makes perfect sense. Goodbye. I think this one here is probably the most important one. Oh, right. I'm going to take all the plastic bags off of these pieces. I like their bags. Made of sturdy German plastic.
It's made in Romania.
It's made in Romania. Oh. Ooh. And the most important part, right here, in this bag, is the mic itself. It's incredible, this little thing. Look at it. Oh, there it goes. The camera doesn't want to focus on it. Look at that little guy. Hello, I'm a microphone, and I'm a little tiny guy. Beep, beep, beep. So if you see here, this one has the little microphone label. That is the sender. And this one has a little camera label. That's the receiver. As far as I understand, all you do is hold these two buttons down at the same time. I had one of them off and one of them on. So if I hold them both now, they should sync with each other. I think 2 green lights is a success. Eh?
Yeah.
Now we're going to remove the little twisty from our lav mic wire. There we go. We'll let the other end dangle down. This little clip somehow goes on the mic. I want to say, so we see, here's the clip, here's the mic, the clip slides up the wire and onto the mic. Just like that. We're going to take that mic and clip it right here to this thing. we got a mic clipped here, but no sound quite yet. For the next step is to find our microphone labeled sender, plug the mic in, like that. I'm gonna put this in my pocket. It's always important to have pockets. So here, I have this little clip that actually slides perfectly into the flash holder on the top of the camera. Here we go. I mean, perfectly. Yeah, there we go. I need to install my microphone cable there. And I'm going to put it here. Slide it into the holder. And then here, on the side of the camera, we plug it in. Now, I assume that doesn't automatically start recording from the microphone. So we're going to have to take a look. We're going to figure that one out, check the instruction manual. If this suddenly sounded way better, great success, incredible. It's amazing technology has come so far. I figured out that this is actually the belt clip. So you slide that bad boy in there, just like this. Let's call it a pocket clip. There it is. Alright, so I think on my Panasonic Lumix camera that this automatically overrides the camera microphone when I plug it in. And to test that, I'm going to try to make a sound the same volume the whole time and go in and out from the camera. I think that it is going to work just fine. Here we go. Incredible! It's working! I'm very happy. Oh, it's great that it worked automatically. But what I did do is go into the camera and add a -4 decibel reduction to the audio level, for I am a very loud speaker, and it was almost clipping in the editor here. I must say, so far I am impressed with this Sennheiser XS wireless digital lavalier microphone. For sure, it's going to be a great benefit on any of my on-location videos, like the ones in the backyard or the garage or maybe my friend's house, I'm not sure. I got this microphone from Long & McQuaid, who blessed us with a Black Friday sale and free shipping. It actually came one day after we ordered it, so if you are in Southern Ontario in particular, order from Long & McQuaid. And if you guys are watching, get me an affiliate link for my channel and maybe even send me some free products to review. I'd appreciate it. And from the rest of you, I'd appreciate a like, maybe a comment, a subscribe, and a watch of as many of my videos as you have time for. Thanks everybody. See ya.